It's more than just a car. It's what you rely on to get to work. It's where you spend your time with your family. It's your ticket to the top of the mountain and the edge of the coast. It's where anytime you take a ride, you just might make a memory. At CARR Subaru, we know how important your vehicle is. So our service department will do whatever it takes to keep your vehicle running smoothly. With express service available, you can get a quick oil change, tire rotation, or multi-point inspection with no appointment needed. For more complicated issues, rest assured you're in good hands. We've got more factory-trained technicians than any other Subaru dealer in the region. We make scheduling easy too. We're open 6 days a week. Just call or book online. So come in, grab a coffee, and relax. At CARR Subaru, we've got you covered.
Hi there, I'm Ryan Hurley, Service Manager at CARR Subaru. Here at CARR, you're more than just a customer, you're family. That's exactly how you can expect to be treated. We look forward to serving you.
It's so easy finding just the right car. Get a lifetime warranty on a CARR car.